So how do you change the WhatsApp from a dark mode to the light mode, right? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so on your WhatsApp, you can see that the background might be white or it might be dark, but this is controlled by your device's general dark mode settings. So if you go to the control center of your iPhone, you can see the brightness slider, and when you hold down on it, we can see the button for the dark mode, and this can be turned on or off, right? And it will also affect the WhatsApp. Of course, other things will be affected as well, but WhatsApp can switch from the light mode to the dark mode or the other way around. But a few more things to keep in mind in here. Like this setting, which I'm showing you, can be also scheduled, right? So if you go to the main settings app of the iPhone and go to the display and brightness, you can also see that it might be selected for the automatic change, right? So you can see that perhaps you don't like it to be this way or you don't want it to be enabled again during the night, so turn off the automatic changing. And also inside of your WhatsApp, you can also manage the backgrounds, right? Because you can literally just change the theme of your chat, right? And make it be something completely different, right? You can make it go, choose a dark background by default or a light one or whatever else you like, but you can customize it on a chat level as well. So let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorial. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.